Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem without a calculator. We have 29 to the power of 3 plus 15 to the power of 3. This is in the numerator, divided by 14 to the power of 3 plus 29 to the power of 3. So now, let's provide a solution from here. Now, we can express 29. This is the same thing as 15 plus 14. So in other words, we can let x to be equal to 15 and we can let y be equal to 14. So substituting x and y into the equation, then we have 29 is the same thing as x plus y raised to the power of 3, then plus 15 is x to the power of, now we have x to the power of 3 divided by, in the denominator here we have 14 to the power of 3, 14 is y, so this is y to the power of 3, then plus 29 again, this is x plus y to the power of 3. Now, the next step from here, we can let x plus y be equal to u. Okay, so let's substitute x plus y with u, so that now we have u to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 3. This is in the numerator, divided by y to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 3. The next step is that u to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 3. This is actually the sum of two cubes expressed as a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, which we can express as a plus b into the parentheses. This is a squared, subtract a times b, then plus b to the power of 2. Applying this identity, in the numerator we have u plus x. Then here we have u to the power of 2, subtract u times x, then plus x to the power of 2, divided by, in the denominator, this is still the sum of two cubes. Let's apply this identity, and this implies that we have y plus u. Then here we have y squared minus u times y, then plus u to the power of 2. Now, if you recall, we are saying that let x plus y be equal to u. So let's substitute x plus y where we have u, so that we have x plus y plus x, cross the parentheses here, then we have here x plus y raised to the power of 2 minus x plus y multiplied by x, then plus x to the power of 2, close the parentheses, then this is divided by, now in the denominator here we have y plus u, which is x plus y, then we have y squared, subtract x plus y multiplied by y, then plus, remember u squared in this case will be x plus y raised to the power of 2, close the parentheses. Now this implies that in the numerator here, this is x plus x, this is 2x plus y, close the parentheses. Then here we have x plus y to the power of 2. This is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. Now let's apply this algebraic identity, so that here we have x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy. Let's open the parentheses here. We have x times x here. This becomes minus x to the power of 2. Then we have minus x times y here, times plus y. This becomes minus xy. Then plus x to the power of 2, cross the parentheses, everything here, divided by, this is y plus y, this is 2y plus x, cross the parentheses. Then here we have y squared, subtract, now this is y times minus x, this is minus xy, then minus y times plus y, this is minus y to the power of 2, then plus, now let's expand this equation here. This is x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy, cross the parentheses. So in the numerator here, again we have 2x plus y, cross the parentheses. Now, this is x squared. We have minus x squared plus x squared. This simplifies. So we have x squared. Now, we have plus y to the power of 2. We have 2xy minus xy. So this becomes plus xy. So this is what is in the numerator, and divided by, in the denominator here, we have 2y plus x. Okay. Now, here we have y squared minus y squared. This simplifies, so that now here we have x to the power of 2. So we have x to the power of 2, then plus y squared. Then we have minus xy plus 2xy. So this is plus xy, cross the parentheses, so that now we have in the numerator x squared plus y squared plus xy. This is the same as what we have here. So we can simplify this part. And therefore, we have in the numerator, this is 2x plus y divided by 2y plus x. Now, if you recall, we insist that let x be equal to 15, and we insist that let y be equal to 14. So let's substitute x and y with 15 and 14, so that in the numerator we have 2 multiplied by 15, then plus 14, which is y, then divided by 2 times y, this is 2 times 14, then plus x, which is 15, and therefore this is 15 times 2, which is equal to 30, plus 14 divided by 14 times 2, this is 28, plus 15. So here we have 30 plus 14, this is 44, divided by 28 plus 15, and this is equal to 43. Now, the solution to this math problem here is 44 over 43. So this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. If you have alternative method to solve this, kindly don't hesitate to show in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.